Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Sarbatta Parambarai movie review. Arya and Parvanjit weave magic on screen. The introduction scene of Sarpatta Parambarai begins with the hauntingly beautiful background score, where workers are carrying jute sacks on their backs in a factory, while the owner is yelling at them to complete the work faster. Just then, the youngsters of the village announce that a boxing match is about to start, and as soon as the bell rings for the day, every worker runs to see the match. That is the kind of mania that gripped every villager in Madras during the 70s when boxing among clans was a mark of pride and glory that went beyond everything that held dear. There are several clans that take part in the English professional boxing tournament, which includes Sarpatta, Idiyappa, Sunnambu, Kulam, Lappa Karikalan Bhai, and military boxing, but it is only Sarpatta and Idiyappa that are always neck to neck when it comes to the final bout. Rangan's son, Vetri Salman, has been trained well, but it is too impatient, aggressive, and reckless in the ring to fight an opponent with technique. Kavilan has always been intrigued by boxing, but his mother, Bakiyam, never lets him anywhere near a boxing match. Even as a kid, Kavilan was thrashed severely when he was found watching a boxing match with his uncle Kevin, who he lovingly calls Daddy. But as a Sarpatta, he crosses the paths with Rangan, and hence the story of his life unfolds. Watching the flame to be built in the boxing mania between different clans of Madras and to feel a plethora of emotions as the film progresses. Sarpatta Parambarai is currently streaming on Amazon Prime Video. CID keeps eyes on MLAs who net new Punjab Congress President Sidhu on Wednesday. The Congress and Aam Aadmi Party MLAs who accompanied newly appointed Punjab Congress Chief Navjot Singh Sidhu during his day-long temple visit on Wednesday are reportedly on the radar of Punjab Crime Investigation Department (CID). The CID officials who were keeping an eye on the gathering at Sidhu's Amritsar residence on Wednesday morning said that only 48 members of the Legislative Assembly were in attendance, as against the figure of 62 which has given earlier. This includes 3 former Aam Aadmi Party MLAs who recently joined the Congress. CID officials were deployed in civil clothes around Navjot Singh Sidhu's residence. One official introduced himself to India to the team and said they were doing their duty. As per sources from MLAs that accompanied Sidhu on Wednesday as well as their close aides are at present facing serious allegations. One of the MLAs has been accused of being involved in illegal mining in Hoshiarpur area. Cabinet Minister Chiranjit Singh Channi, who also accompanied Navjot Singh Sidhu on Wednesday, accused Captain Amrinder Singh of vendetta politics. Meanwhile, former Punjab Congress Chief Sunil Chakar, who also accompanied Sidhu to the Golden Temple complex on Wednesday, even as the Captain Amrinder Singh once again pushed for a public apology from Navjot Singh Sidhu for his tweets. The latter, along with 4 working presidents, planned to send him an invitation to grace his taking over ceremony. They also said that leaders from the party high command, including Congress General Secretary Harish Rawat, may come to Chandigarh to persuade Singh to attend the ceremony. Mumbai porn racket case. Gehenna Vasis denies charges, says being targeted. Vandana Ravindra Tiwari alias Kahana Vasist, a model and actress who was arrested in February this year by the Mumbai Police Crime Branch for involvement in a porn videos racket, has denied allegations against her. Businessman Raj Kundra was arrested on July 19 in connection with the sensational porn racket case. Vasist, who is out on the bail after spending 5 months in jail, told India Today TV that she was framed in the case. When asked about allegations of acting in porn movies published on Hot Shots app, she said, "There was no pornography in those videos. I have worked with Umesh Kamath and Raj Kundra, but we don't make obscene videos. Our videos don't cross the limit." She also denied connections with the accused arrested in the Mud Bungalow raid. Vasist denied connections with the accused arrested in the Mud Bungalow raid in the February. Police arrested 5 aides of Yasmin Khan alias Rova, who was the producer-director. Actors Mohammad Atif Saifi and Bhanu Thakur, photographer Monu Joshi, and creative director Pratibha Nalande were arrested following the raid. "I don't know why I was booked in this case. I know Raj Kundra and his colleagues, but don't know accused who were arrested from the bungalow." Vasist said she would continue to work and it would not be impacted due to this case. When asked about her time in jail, Vasist said that she suffered serious health issues. "Sometimes my sugar level used to go up to 270. I also suffered a heart attack while in the jail. People used to pray in jail and I used to ask myself why I should ask for forgiveness because I have done no wrong. What happened to me should not happen to anyone else," she said. Twitter begins testing dislike button, but there is a catch. Twitter has finally begun testing a dislike button on the app, but it is nothing like the dislike button that you see on YouTube. The microblogging site revealed that the iOS users will now see new upvote and downvote options below the tweet. However, the company says that downvotes will not be shown publicly. Only the users who has posted the tweet can see it. The upvotes, on the other hand, will appear as likes. Twitter's head of product Bjorn Beck-Core had revealed last year that Twitter might roll out a dislike button, and the app has already begun testing the feature. Twitter informed about the upcoming feature via a tweet posted from their official handle. It is important to note that downvotes are only limited to tweet responses, not the original tweet. Twitter noted that the downvotes are visible to the person who has posted the tweet only, and the votes would not change the order of replies as it happens on other platforms including Quora and Reddit.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.